probably the position you are.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
My name is...
KBC number 4. Then KVF number 2. 2. Number 2. And full B is there. So we'll be joined by when we have TSU, the next enter.
I am confident that this groundbreaking competition will ignite spirited rivalries, strengthen team bonds, and elevate the profile of volleyball not only in Kenya, but also across the region. At KCB, sports form a vital part of our broader corporate citizenship agenda.
We are very happy to introduce this very innovative tournament, the Kenya Cup. It's the first time that we are playing it. We wanted something that will be different from the traditional league and the tournament circuits that we've been having.